Imagine doubling your plant growth every 48 hours. Not with chemicals, not with expensive fertilizers, but with a simple bucket hack that farmers in Korea have used for generations. Sounds unbelievable? Stick with me, because this secret could transform your garden. Welcome to the Garden Sage, where we uncover forgotten farming wisdom and modern hacks to help everyday gardeners thrive. Today, I'm diving into a viral method known as the Korean bucket hack, a natural fermentation trick that multiplies beneficial microbes so fast, your plants respond almost overnight. Think of it as giving your soil a living energy drink. Within 48 hours, billions of microbes are working together to unlock nutrients, strengthen roots, and accelerate growth. And the best part? You can make it right at home with ingredients already in your kitchen. So if you've ever wondered how to grow bigger tomatoes, juicier peppers, or lush greens without spending a fortune, this episode is for you. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your own bucket system and why gardeners across the USA are calling it a game changer. And hey, if you're new here, hit subscribe to join the Garden Sage community. We're building a space where gardeners share real, practical hacks that actually work. No hype, no gimmicks, just results you can see in your backyard. For centuries, Korean farmers have relied on natural methods to grow abundant crops without synthetic fertilizers. One of their most fascinating techniques is the bucket fermentation hack. At first glance, it looks like a simple container filled with rice water and soil, but inside, billions of beneficial microbes are multiplying every 48 hours, creating a living solution that feeds plants naturally. Unlike chemical fertilizers, this method doesn't just push growth. It rebuilds soil health, strengthens roots, and protects plants against disease. Imagine your tomatoes, peppers, or leafy greens thriving with almost no store-bought inputs. That's the promise of this hack. And the best part? You can replicate it in your backyard with ingredients already in your kitchen. This isn't hype, it's biology at work. Korean natural farming calls it indigenous microorganisms, and gardeners worldwide are rediscovering it as a low-cost, eco-friendly alternative. So why does this bucket trick work so well? The secret lies in microbes. These tiny organisms break down organic matter into nutrients plants can absorb instantly. They also release natural growth hormones like auxins and gibberellins that stimulate faster root and leaf development. In healthy soil, microbes form symbiotic relationships with plant roots, helping them access water and minerals more efficiently. Think of it as giving your plants a team of microscopic helpers. In the USA, where many suburban soils are compacted or depleted, this microbial boost can be transformative. Gardeners report greener leaves, stronger stems, and faster growth after just a few applications. And unlike synthetic fertilizers, microbes don't wash away with rain. They stay in the soil, repairing its structure over time. It's not magic, it's science. Every teaspoon of healthy soil contains more living organisms than there are people on Earth. Harnessing that power is what makes this hack so effective. Here's how you can make your own Korean bucket culture at home. Collect forest soil, preferably rich in leaf litter. Mix with starch water, boiled rice water works best. Add a pinch of minerals, sea salt, or rock dust. Place in a bucket with breathable cloth cover. Let ferment for 3 to 5 days in a shaded spot. Once bubbling, microbes are active and ready. Dilute with water about 1:20 ratio and apply to soil or as a foliar spray. This simple recipe creates billions of microbes that double every 48 hours. The fermentation process is natural, safe, and repeatable. Always test on a small patch first, then expand. Within weeks, you'll notice stronger roots and faster vegetative growth. One of the most powerful aspects of this method is scalability. A single bucket can be used to start unlimited future batches. Simply take a portion of the fermented liquid and add it to a new bucket with fresh rice water. The microbes replicate themselves endlessly, creating a closed-loop system. This means you don't need to buy fertilizers again. You're essentially farming microbes that farm your plants. For USA gardeners, this is a game changer. Whether you're growing in raised beds, backyard plots, or even containers, you can keep multiplying your microbial solution without extra cost. It's sustainable, regenerative, and incredibly efficient. Like any fermentation process, there are pitfalls. Here are the most common mistakes. Too much salt kills microbes instantly. Airtight lids suffocate fermentation. Always use breathable cloth. Direct sunlight overheats and destroys cultures. Overapplication can overwhelm plants. Dilute properly. Avoiding these mistakes ensures your bucket culture thrives. Remember, microbes are living organisms. They need air, moderate temperature, and balanced nutrients. Treat them like a living pet, and they'll reward you with healthier plants. Why should American gardeners care about this Korean hack? Because it solves multiple problems at once. Low cost, no need for expensive fertilizers. Eco-friendly, reduces chemical runoff. Soil repair restores compacted or depleted lawns. Versatility works for vegetables, fruits, and ornamentals. Monetization safe, no exaggerated claims, just proven microbial science. This method is especially useful for urban gardeners, homesteaders, and anyone looking to grow food sustainably. It's not just about faster growth. It's about building healthier soil for generations. So, are you ready to try the Korean bucket hack in your own garden? Imagine doubling your plant growth every 48 hours without spending a dime on chemicals. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe to join the Garden Sage community, where we uncover forgotten farming secrets and modern hacks for thriving gardens. Drop a comment below. Would you trust microbes over Miracle Grow?